Some things we can do. We can go somewhere and have some fun, me and you. We can go somewhere, somewhere private so there is no excuse.